Brighten your indoor and outdoor spaces with Chrysanthemum Carnation Mix, the stunning, low-maintenance flowers that bloom in vibrant color year-round. Chrysanthemum Carnation Mix, often called Chrysanthemum, for its hybrid beauty, is a delightful combination of classic chrysanthemum blooms with the ruffled charm of carnations. This mix produces vibrant, multicolored flowers perfect for adding a splash of color to gardens, patios, and indoor arrangements. Loved for its long-lasting blooms and relative ease of care, Chrysanthemum Carnation Mix is an excellent choice for beginner gardeners across the USA. Whether you want to enhance your backyard garden or create cheerful indoor bouquets, this plant promises aesthetic appeal and a rewarding growing experience. Start by selecting healthy seedlings or seeds from a reputable nursery. Plant them in fertile, well-draining soil enriched with organic compost. Chrysanthemums prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH of 6.0–7.0. Planting in raised beds or containers with proper drainage ensures that roots stay healthy and avoid waterlogging. Light is critical for vibrant blooms. Chrysanthemum Carnation Mix thrives in full sun, requiring at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Insufficient light can result in leggy stems and poor flowering. For indoor setups, place containers near bright windows or use grow lights to supplement natural sunlight. Proper light encourages compact growth and abundant flower production. Watering should be consistent but moderate. Keep the soil evenly moist, particularly during flowering. Avoid overhead watering, which can lead to fungal diseases. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and regulate temperature while reducing weed growth. During hot summer months, check soil daily and water as needed, ensuring roots remain hydrated but not soggy. Fertilization supports robust growth and extended blooms. Use a balanced fertilizer with slightly higher phosphorus content to encourage flowering. Feed plants every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Over-fertilization can result in excessive leafy growth at the expense of flowers, so follow the recommended dosage carefully. Pruning and deadheading are essential practices. Regularly remove faded or dead blooms to encourage new flowers and maintain plant aesthetics. Pinching back stems in early growth stages promotes bushier plants with more flowering nodes. This ensures a full, vibrant display, whether in the garden or in pots. Propagation is generally done through cuttings or seed sowing. Soft wood cuttings from mature plants root effectively in moist potting media, while seeds can be started indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Transplant seedlings outdoors once frost danger has passed and soil temperatures are favorable. Regular care ensures the mix thrives in both indoor and outdoor settings. Pest and disease management is vital for healthy growth. Common pests include aphids, spider mites, and thrips, which can be controlled using neem oil, insecticidal soap, or organic sprays. fungal diseases such as powdery mildew and leaf spot are prevented through proper spacing, airflow, and avoiding overhead watering. Inspect plants regularly to catch issues early. Chrysanthemum Carnation mix also benefits from proper container selection and positioning. Use deep pots for root development and adequate drainage. Grouping plants can create a colorful, cohesive display in garden beds or balconies. Companion planting with other sun-loving perennials enhances visual appeal and promotes a healthier microenvironment. Seasonal care involves monitoring light, temperature, and watering. In cooler months, protect plants from frost with covers or by moving containers indoors. Deadhead spent blooms, prune leggy stems, and maintain soil fertility. Repotting or refreshing soil every 102 years prevents root crowding and supports sustained growth. Chrysanthemum Carnation mix is not only visually stunning but also functional, attracting pollinators and brightening any space. With the right balance of sunlight, water, fertilization, pruning, and pest management, these flowers flourish beautifully. Their adaptability, color variety, and long-lasting blooms make them perfect for beginner and experienced gardeners alike. In the USA, bring home Chrysanthemum Carnation mix today and enjoy vibrant, long-lasting blooms that elevate your indoor and outdoor spaces with effortless beauty.